that you're a little bit of a twink.
So, let's see. Mark Zhule.
Uh-oh.
Where'd it go? Trying to figure out, because if they do the same tactic that we do, they'll come and PvP us. But we'll see. Maybe we just run straight to the middle.
If it's not a good group, we can always double back.
So your group 2, you're gonna be all the way to the other side. I'll let you know to come meet us. Or just clear.
Click your statue.
Yeah.
Siel.
Siel.
Great general.
Yeah,
So
definitely good for mid.
Yep.
straight to the
There
cannon.
they are.
Straight to the cannon. Straight to the cannon. Get in. And I got in.
Silence.
You're interrupting.
5 is a cleric.
You got a cleric?
5 is
Well, you
clear.
already marked it with. Someone already marked it with 5, so.
Kill the PV you got.
There's still PvP.
We need to get their mobs or something. We need to.
Yeah, get their mobs. Get their mobs. Definitely get their mobs. Whether you guys on one side, just get
Get
their
it,
mobs. Get them.
Let's go.
Alright, no more cannon.
Alright, we're not together. Get together then. We didn't move quick enough. Let's go.
You got that?
Where are we going?
Construction.
Okay. Okay.
Incoming.
Incoming from behind.
Woo, I'm going down.
That's because I'm dead. Hold on.
I'm
Yeah, I
I'll
know.
go down too. Focus 5, wanna
I need something, I
focus
need
2, focus
something.
2, focus.
I need
the-
something.
Just have to regroup middle. If you can't fear them, or get me up, that'll be great if we're still up, so
I
yes.
don't have fear streak.
They're right back on me.
Shit, I was trying to hop.
We're not gonna win these guys.
It's okay. 5, got it. Your 5 is dead. Focus 2 now. I'm gonna get up.
I need a red. Okay. You're getting hit. Heal yourself.
Group in the middle. My group. See if the cannon's up. It's up, perfect.
They got Garnet. Damn it.
Dino, get this thing off me.
Target is too far away. Move closer to your target.
Yeah. So just get points. Just get points like that. We'll get in the cannon and do something with them. So we're coming out here soon.
Zhule can get points on either ramp, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see, we'll get a wiki yard.
They're getting points.
Oh, they get the points, okay. Teleport statues are up now. I'm surprised those didn't come out yet. So. Come. Should have been there.
Incoming.
Your target is out of your line of sight.
Did they interrupt? Mama, jump down. Be making him from the middle. Nice fear.
Ooh, almost. Damn it.
Hold on.
Well down. So down. Alright, just jump. Go towards group 2 now, please. Run towards group 2 if you can. You can use that cannon down.
There's some point down here I'm getting.
Okay.
What?
So there's some points here I'm getting.
Alright, Dino, port middle, and we'll try to get group 2. We have to be faster because they'll chase us. So. Help, okay. Yeah, real quick, they're not cheating. They're incoming. Go, go, go. Our group, run, 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 run. Forget this point. To get in the other cannon.
I got pulled.
They took off. They didn't follow. Are you done with the points, too? Okay, we need to regroup. We're gonna push and try and take the. Oh, they're off the middle. Let's go. Perfect. Let's go to the middle.
I'm stuck too. I'll be right back.
And we're gonna need everybody
Is
to hold
everybody
up
out?
They're not
Meet
here.
everybody.
They are so there. They're on the side.
Yeah, but we need my group. Oh, they are. Okay, I thought they were done. So move back. Move back.
Sewell's
You know why?
finished,
Because
isn't he?
things are gonna spawn in a minute.
Yeah, I need you guys over here.
Surprise.
Supplies.
We need to get at least one of the supply.
Alright, need to push. Need to push. Let's go. Cannons up too.
Their cannons up.
Get him off of it.
Oh,
If
the
you
Ming,
can use
everybody-
any kind of AoE.
They're in. Shit. Focus the kill. We're fucked.
We needed to get a word or something on them so they wouldn't be able to get in.
Yeah, too late. Just go back. It's not towards our spawn.
Yeah, don't do anything about. Don't port middle. Don't do anything like that. Do we get our points here?
We took his supplies.
Supplies left in a few seconds, and they're at
10 seconds.
Yep, they have a whole bunch at the bottom, and some in the middle.
They have the cannon, so
They have the cannon, so yeah, I would have to port mid. That would be the only thing that I could do. Supplies are up.
they're gonna have.
They're
them all.
getting them. We're getting started here. Go, so I could go.
Yeah.
Move closer to your target. You can't attack that now. You need a clear line.
No more can.
Your target is out. Move closer to your target. You can't see your target.
Tank in 1 minute.
Just in case it spawns here.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm in the right spot where it's going to spawn, but I am at one of the tank spawn spots.
Yeah, because sometimes it's never really, you can't really tell.
All right, who's getting this? Because there are 3 clerics. There has been 3 of those, and I haven't gotten a single one.
I haven't gotten any.
I rolled on one.
Don't know, Mama.
Naya got one, Sybil got one, Zhule got one.
Oops, you won't. Wait, they're not tradable, are they?
No, that's nothing we
We're,
can do.
oh, whoa, bro, we're separate.
Wait, I think I can trade them with you.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
We all separated. Okay, cannons in 5 minutes. I mean, thanks.
Second.
5 seconds.
Steal you.
Theirs is down here. Kill it. Go up to the other spot.
Kill it
Yeah.
quick.
They're on ours.
That's okay. Kill theirs.
So kill theirs too, that's okay, yeah.
Yeah. Down.
Cannons up in the middle too.
There's a 1250 mob in our start, Pop.
Okay, we'll kill.
Alright, I'm in our start waiting for you. Pull it out. Papa, pull it out. Hold on.
Incoming, here they come.
You didn't get the tank, did you? Just curious.
No.
No, they
Tried to
killed our
make it,
tank, but we killed
they
them.
they were all around.
Alright, so make sure you group wait there. What at that entrance? Just wait.
Do you know when the next tank spawns?
I don't remember. Oh shit.
Where are we going? Are we coming out here?
Move closer.
No, no, come. Don't go out there, Dino. Nia, come back here. You're gonna get shot. They won't go in the cannon, but they're gonna get shot. So if they get in the we need to PvP, and if they get in the cannon, we will use the grenades on it.
By the way, the cannon's down,
Yeah.
I think.
The middle
Just
cannon.
standing
Cannon's
there.
down. They're just
There's
standing
no
there waiting for it
cannon.
to respawn.
Oh, okay. Come on out, Nia. Come
Get
back
out
here.
there, guys. Get out, get out, get out. Take them all the way to our start.
Just aim to the start. Just aim to the.
Come on, take them to the start.
I
Take
think
them to
group
the
2 should come behind them.
Just put him back.
Yeah.
Just put him back.
They're
Stop
running away.
pushing. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Oh, PvP. Turn up. PvP. Turn up.
Yeah, turn around. PvP.
Turn up PvP. Oh, well, so group 2 was in there. Shit. Yeah. Turn up. On
Trying to fear.
on fire. Five, kill 5. Oh, she could leave in, really. Two's back up.
2 has one of those things up. 2 has one of the potions.
Pushing Loki.
Dispel her, Sybil.
I took it off.
Good.
Alright, that's
Two
we to hold the
down.
middle now.
Get 5.
Yeah.
Take her sting off, Sybil. She has another one.
I'm trying.
Nice push, so they were busy with us and you push from behind and they started killing them.
Yay, wife.
Nicely done, guys.
Boarding into mid. That's what they're doing.
Yeah, just wait here in the middle.
We
Cannon's
have a
up.
cannon.
So
Hold
let
on, hold on. Don't take
Just
me out.
hold
Somebody
the
get
cannon.
a cannon.
No, get yet.
Hold on. Don't
Just
jump down.
pick him
Stay
up.
there.
Alright, get in the cannon now. Cannon.
Cannon.
Oh, I'll use a grenade.
Wow.
Grenade. Oh my god. They were smart. Should have gotten the cannon.
I'm paralyzed. I got in.
Okay, go.
I used my only grenade on them too. Alright, we got it.
The guys start spawning soon. I think at 12 minutes. So,
Just camp this middle area. When did it span? Do you know, Nia? In 13 minutes?
no, I think it's at 12.
Okay.
And also, a cannon should spawn around that time as well.
Where did their
Well,
spawn?
a tank. They're spawned at the bottom.
They're spawned
so I'm
down
guessing
here.
Ours
Okay.
should spawn down there now, right?
Is it always? I think. Is it the same or is
No,
it
they,
backwards?
they switch. So I'm guessing.
All right,
Oh,
2's
PP.
out. 2's out.
Move closer to your target. Move closer to your target. You can't attack that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Cannon's
Got number
up.
2.
Cannons are up. Cannons are up. Make sure we go kill theirs.
Get in your tank.
Get our
Get in your
can.
tank, sucker.
Get in your
I'm
tank,
getting in
Zach.
right now.
Get in
I
yours.
am. I am. I'm just letting you know the other one's up.
Yeah,
Alright,
please
let's go
start
kill it.
start on theirs.
Up, up. Up, guys. Up, up, up. There's a...
So,
Your target is out of line.
Carms, your job is gonna help us protect. Okay.
Alright, the Vargas is up.
Okay, acquittal if we need to. Acquittal him, and we have 2 acquittals.
They
in that
should
group.
wait out here a
So
second.
somebody,
Carms, just wait out
somebody
here.
talk about acquittals too.
Yep.
Protect
There's
the middle.
PvE.
Just
We need to kill the PvE.
no, just jump in there. It will reset. Go in.
It's
Forget the
it's on
PvE.
the tank.
It will reset. Just keep going.
Okay, all right.
If y'all jump in the
Yeah,
Capitol building, that one's
Yeah, just
2100.
there you go.
They're taking the 3500.
It's okay. Right, let's go to the side.
This Siel, whatever it's called. Some
Right, just everybody. Carms, you go with them. Protect their entrance. I'll wait here.
they are here, Siel's temple.
Alright, just kill. Just
And
wipe them off.
They're coming out.
Just wipe them off. Just wipe them off with
Right.
Carms' help.
Okay. Carbs, come. We need you. Hold on. Hold on, Naya.
If he can keep them here, then a few people can go kill the other
Yeah,
one.
keep them there.
This PvE is wrecking my shit.
Group 1 go there. Group 1 go to the other boss. And everybody else stay there. Please go.
Okay.
Sakura.
Sako, comes towards me then. Come towards me, Carms.
Towards you. Okay.
Oh, you guys. Oh, fuck. Let them out.
Okay, I'm healing Zaku.
Okay. This PvE is really killing me. I'll try to drag it away.
I should group 2 just res and go back. So do that. Just group 2 res up and go there. Just go there. Everybody else stays
Okay,
here.
I don't know who those mobs are gonna go on.
Just come over here to the middle. Come
I
to
did. I jumped down. I'm good.
me to where I am, to where the middle cannon is. Middle. Carms, you also come.
Zaku.
Come over here.
Okay.
I got Zaku.
Just come over here. Should not group up here.
No, Zaku, you don't come over there. You stay in front of the door
No,
and
no,
keep
he's-
them in
he's
there.
No,
told
no,
them
no,
to
no.
come here.
Lure them out. Lure them out. Just then go, there you go. Now go back, Arms, slowly. Everybody just say we'll come back. Everybody come back. Now we go kill. Now we'll. Come perfect. Come on, PP. Just start killing them. They'll
They're
be
running
afraid of the
down. They're
tank.
running down.
Just pull them
Going,
off.
it doesn't move.
Just keep going.
Remember, they're gonna have their tank down.
Just kill us, Smith.
They're getting
You
in the
have
cannon.
you have a.
Don't go
Are
down
they in the
there.
Oh, come back.
Yes.
Move back.
They're not in it
If
yet.
they go in, move back. They're in. Move
They're
back.
in it now.
Just move back. Just hold the middle now. We'll be good. Look all the
Should
points.
have
We'll
kept,
get-
should have kept
Just go back to the
there
middle.
in the door, because if our NPC spawns down there, we lose those points if they kill
It's
it.
okay. We get these
We'll
points
kill
too,
theirs.
so it's okay. So yeah, just. So you can teleport middle now, man. So you have to-
All right. Can we just kill these now that they're sitting here?
Yeah, just
Drummer and
come
the
here if you can
Hawkers
kill
there.
them. Yeah.
All right,
Bring
just
them
kill
up.
this PvE. Yeah. Kill the drummer first, guys. Drummer.
We got the point, so we're good. They have to come to us now, so. Who still has grenade, by the way?
They're actually probably killing that other boss down there too, right?
No.
They killed that one
Soul
first.
Group 2 got it.
Oh, two got it. Okay.
Yay.
If it comes to a fight for the cannon, word them.
Their
what's
cannon's
the,
up.
What's the
Their
funny?
tank's
Oh, kill it.
Their
Where's
cannon's up, kill it.
Kill that cannon.
Can you trade balls and things to somebody else to get in the second one? Do we want the second one?
Sure.
Eros has one.
Oh,
Oh, Eris
Incoming.
has it? Okay.
okay.
Yeah, they don't know. They don't have to know you don't have them.
See what they're doing and what they do.
I used Curse Cloud too.
Okay, I have my word. But that's also my quit also. Yeah, they're the corner where we can't reach them. They're thinking about it. They're
There's
doubling
a
up.
few of them.
They're coming out.
They're
Yeah,
checking to see
Go both
if anyone's in the
ways.
cannon.
Kill them, kill,
They're
kill.
checking.
Let's go
I
kill
think
two.
they're no, yeah. I think they're
They
trying
don't
to
lure
get
them. They're
us
trying
out.
to lure me. They're trying to get me in the cannon. So
Yeah.
just make sure you
Right, yeah.
on the tank. Is it a 5
Don't go
minutes or
too
3
far,
minutes?
That was bad, Soccer. I think you're dead. Oh, arrow.
Okay,
Never
they
mind.
can-
Okay,
Yeah,
arrow.
still got
Don't forget they can dismount.
Heroes is the one that.
They're all over on the side.
Yeah, they know they have to
Did
come
Did
to
arrows
us.
die in here?
Yeah.
Why did he do
I
that?
don't think because he didn't have balls.
Oh, you should have let me know. I don't have many, but I could have traded him like 5.
You said
You
they
got
used everything on
reinforcements.
him.
It's ours. They're on ours. They're on the.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay,
We
um,
have
they're
ours.
here.
They have theirs.
Well,
Yep.
so we can
Just
stay,
hold up
we can
here.
Stay here.
we can just stay here. Yeah, they can't. If they, we have the cannon and the other.
They
thing,
have to
they're not
push
gonna be
us.
able to-
So
Yeah. And if they all end on arrows, then they don't have anything left. Dino, don't get killed, babe. We need you up here.
they're going back to protect theirs, I guess.
No, they're kind of coming both ways.
They're trying to bomb us. Kill us some minators.
Yeah, this guy's trying to bomb.
Dispel him. He has that. There's a scroll.
He
Yes,
has
has
the
a
thing
scroll
up
on.
here.
Yeah. It's gone now. Oh, it still has it. It still has it. It's
Yeah,
almost gone.
civil.
Don't forget they can take our guard to their side. Don't
I
forget.
can't.
But what he
Okay,
forgets
it's
that we can heal
It's
them.
gone. It's gone.
We can heal them.
Alright,
So
I'm gonna
our
show you
guards
everybody that's in vent. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Just watch the cannon for the coming. So watch
Where's our guy?
me where I'm standing.
Where, oh, there he is.
He's coming right
There he
here.
is. Watch me when I'm standing. If you stand on this side right here behind this rock, the cannon cannot touch you.
They're behind you, also. Never
Yeah,
mind.
they're trying to pull our guard. So you stand over here in this rock, the Kamar cannon
guard's
cannot
going.
hit you. Just so you guys know.
Oh,
Alright?
they did it. They pulled
that.
our guards.
There's
Did
a
they-
guard heading that way.
Yeah, they did. They got it.
Okay, he's turning back.
They're trying to take him away. Kill the guy. Okay, he's
Yeah, he's gonna die anyway.
alright. Don't chase him down there.
Alright, yeah, don't let him get close enough. We'll have to get to the sides
Yeah.
here. Don't let him. Papa, you stay, and then we'll flank on either side. And
Yeah, they're just trying
He's
to
on the way
get
back.
you over.
He's on the way back. Never mind. PC. I'm gonna try to take out their healer once he tries to do that. Number 2's the healer,
Keeps,
so.
keeps
Never get-
taunting him. That's what it is.
Yeah, it's trying to pull him away.
we need to kill the guy, so yeah, so he doesn't.
Just kill the
I
pawn.
put a heart on our mob, by the way. Okay,
He's back
staying
here.
Yeah, I'm following him.
You guys have to kill number 2. It's his healer. So if you're gonna
Yeah, I see.
kill a Templar, you have to kill number 2 first.
There's a glad that's on it.
I'll just sit right here. Right here, so when they come out that door,
Yep,
That sounds
that's
fair.
a good idea. We should just
Don't
stay
go any
here
further down there,
and
Pris. Don't
just
go down there.
take
They've
care
got the
of
cannon.
Zaku.
Stop going after that bomb. Stop going after
have to
the Glad. Or I guess... Yeah, number 2 is way too far.
That's fine.
He's dead. They're probably so mad.
They are mad.
He's gonna get...
This is a really pro group, guys. They run together all the time. So this is like, all right, careful. If they come all
They're
in
pushing
on
out,
us,
they're
we
pushing
have to go. All right, get out. Go up, 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 up. Shit, Chris, DC. Everybody up. Everybody up.
Okay. Just come up here, yeah. This their last ditch effort will be this right here.
Yeah, they got him.
Palm's back.
I didn't see him.
He distracted us again.
No, he's on the side, yeah.
Yeah, he's
bomb.
running him. Okay.
He's by the cannon. He's...
He reset. They reset.
Don't.
Getting in a cannon.
Oh, they got
Got in the
he's getting
cannon. Papa, we need you in the tank. He got in the
I
cannon.
am.
Okay. All heals on the commander.
Somebody get in this
There's another
cannon
thing.
here.
Nice. 5 is dead.
Heal the. Killed.
I'm blinded.
I'm dead.
I'm working on their cannon right now.
Yeah,
Can't get up. If somebody can throw me a red.
Their cannon.
I'll go try to get a resin.
Thank you.
Get 2. 2's...
Oh, we got.
That was a good effort on their part.
Alright, nice.
Yeah.
GG.
Nicely done.
That's cannon kills.
Priest, did you get any credit?
Wow, guys, that was. Yeah. That was really good. It was really good.
That was fun.
It was fun.
I saw the names and I just thought, oh, we're not going to be able to do this. But we're really good.
Hey,
It's snowing.
it was all about me,
Was it
okay?
snowing there?
So you guys don't feel like it
Yay!
was you. It's
About
me.
time.
It was about me though, Papa.
It's all about me.
No, just me.
Sybil says in that really low, husky, sexy voice, it's all about. Mm-hmm.
I know we have Gelk, so I guess you guys probably don't want to go again, right?
I'm not going to Gelk.
Well, but it's just Cyril, you, and me and Ellie. That's not enough to make a KBF alliance.
Blah, blah, blah. Well, you know, what is it, every other day it resets, so we could do another one tomorrow if we wanted to. We could do an EV
It
and
resets
then, 'cause
tomorrow.
It's Ingerson tomorrow. No one wants to go to Ingerson.
But
Make us
tomorrow's
perform and see if we
Tuesday,
get
and
enough
then
people.
Wednesday
Okay.
is reset anyway.
Okay, we can try. Let's see what we get.
I really prefer Legion because at least we're all in event and know what to do.
Yeah, I do. And if we're not, yeah, if it's not mostly Legion. I'd rather
I'll swap
go.
over Garm.
Sexy's not gonna go because he always goes to Siege.
Aion.
Yeah, I'll run back to Siege. I'll get his GP real quick. I mean, if we don't get enough people, we'll just go do the thing.
We'll go to the siege, yeah.
Yeah.
Are the forts ours or?
They're ours.
Might
Yeah,
not
I
be
think-
very fun.
I think Arrows was saying a defense.
Well, let's see how much pre-sieging they've done, if any.
0.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm just them,
Nah,
not so much us. Them. They have 2. Yeah, they're taking.
They just flipped the
They're
third.
taking
Yeah.
it. They're flipping artifacts right now.
Yeah, Galka's not going to be fun.
It'll be a retake there, but yeah. Probably. Where's Nia? No Nia. Okay.
I'm knocking in
Yeah,
my
how come we...
client crashed.
Welcome, Deva.
Yeah, we don't have Dino, we don't have Sexy.
Or Pris, right? Pris.
No, Pris is here.
Oh, yeah, is it? We are level 46, rank 46.
Yeah, we keep moving up, don't we?
Pris.
Yay.
How good is that?
We're like the only legion that's moving. Like on the charts. We're the only one that's moving.
New Legion. Yeah.
Although I'm
let's
sure
just
all of these
start
other
moving to
legions
Gilk.
are all defunct.
Well, so.
We can go to Galka in an alliance.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
That'll
that's what
keep
it is.
things nice and safe.
Ew.
Alright, I'm gonna switch if we're going together.
Okay.
Hi, Var.
Same.
Hi!
Have you business with me? Have you business with me? Come back anytime.
I'll grab you, go. There you go.
I'm gonna go stand in Gilk and then watch y'all die in 2.5 seconds. And then... Yeah,
And then laugh.
exactly.
Yeah, just like that. Wah, wah, wah.
Like, that was a waste of an augment, wasn't it?
Yeah, whatever.
I'm gonna go with my PvE gear.
We're doing enough
Me.
EBs that we're getting. We're getting augments.
For me, it's a waste of a conditioning. Yeah.
Because we could shoot kids.
It's a waste of arrows.
I know. Gosh, I have to pay good money for those arrows.
You sure do.
Alright, let's go kiss south. I'm guessing they start in north. They usually start north, right?
Yeah. So let's, what do you want to do?
We can kiss on the wall near south. That way, after we die on north, we can just rest. You know.
I love it how we're like,
They said
yeah, when we
you
lose
die.
north, we can just go straight to south.
Right.
Yeah.
Really, Papa?
She does have.
Thinking
That's
ahead.
faith.
Just mark where you want us to go.
I mean, we can still just pour into north southward from Ronan, but oh well.
You want to kiss outside of Ronan?
No. Here. I'll just do this. Changed my mind too many times. Wait a second.
Oh, God.
There. Done. It's the best place. I don't know. Don't matter. Let's just do it.
I don't even like going to this. Sex is giving like what to do. I don't want to be here.
But Sibyl likes to do these things, so then you like it too.
You said Sybil likes to do these things?
What's Sybil?
Exactly. Sybil
Where
would be the
has
first
Sybil
to be
even
like,
been?
don't listen to Papa, you don't know nothing.
And a lot of things.
I mean, it was
I'd be like,
Sybil who
Sybil,
talked
If
us
you could
into
only
this.
remember him.
That's what
That was good.
that's why make you think that I.
I think you convinced yourself of that too.
Heck yeah.
So if this doesn't work out, we blame Sybil. If it works out, we praise Papa,
No,
right?
no, no. Nobody said anybody should blame me for anything.
Right, because Sybil doesn't like Siege. She'll be the first one to be like, I'm not going.
It depends.
All right. We're having a Legion meeting.
No.
No, we're not.
No, we're not!
Alright.
No, we're not.
Suddenly, I've remembered that I have a
Psych.
dentist appointment at like 9
Me
o'clock at
Two.
night.
We should carpool there. Let's go.
Yeah, we should.
I told
What
Sybil,
state do
I was
you
like,
live
they're
in?
I was like, Sybil, they're having a Legion meeting. And Kill All Weevil, she's like, blah, blah, blah.
That's my response.
No, I want everybody to come to see. Because I said so. And so I'm having
No,
a
actually,
meeting
that's
so you
not
can
what-
hear
that's not what
me
she was
say
saying.
so.
She was saying, actually, that she really doesn't care about Siege, but that how Puddles one came to her and was asking to get her Legion, if she could get her Legion to participate in Siege, because they have X forms and stuff. And she was like, so she was basically having the meeting to see what the Legion felt about it. And I was like, well,
Oh, so
I don't see
basically,
here.
Tide has his name as BG, but someone else is doing all the work.
No, Chad doesn't have BG. He's deputy.
Yeah, no.
Oh, he gave it away.
Well, Kashka was on vacation, and now she's back.
Mm. Mhm. There's lots coming, Papa.
Just two.
They're on. What's that thing called? Hellfire.
It's really lucky. Now still coming.
Papa, no.
Now get out.
Crap.
Var, since I know you're pro
Where we going?
heals, heal me.
Just straight to
Yes.
our fort.
Turn around, Press.
Oh, they're not going.
That'd be such a fun heal class.
Go, go,
Just
go,
start
go, go.
shooting
Right.
people.
Why are we
Right,
running?
here comes
the one up
we
here.
ran into everybody else. Because there's lots
Oh.
Heal
coming.
bullet.
Yes, go, go, go.
Are we coming back?